Good morning, all of you. I am Lazia Farhan from Learning Julia Standard 3rd. So, students, in a previous lecture में हम लोगों ने complete किया था. First of all, keep counting and multiplications, right? After that, we completed about the multiplications tables. So in that already I given the homework about the multiplication sums. You have to write in your notebook that homework. I hope so you all have completed, right? After that we learn about the multiplications of the 2-digit number by the 1-digit number. हम लोगों ने 2-digit numbers को 1-digit नंबर्स के साथ मल्टीप्लीकेशंस भी कैसे करना है वो हम लोगों ने सीख लिया है. ओके, नाउ टुडे वी लर्न अबाउट द मल्टीप्लीकेशंस ऑफ द 3-digit नंबर्स बाय द 1-digit नंबर. आज हम लोग क्या सीखेंगे? 3-digit नंबर को 1-digit नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लीकेशंस कैसे करते हैं, हाउ वी हैव टू डू. So now today we will start worksheet number 6, multiplications of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number using the column method. Okay, so let's start that. Students, so we'll start worksheet number 6, page number 10, multiplication of the 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So multiplication of the 3-digit number by 1-digit numbers using the column method. Which method we have to use here? Column method. So in that example here, one example is here. So we'll explain that first. Multiply 231 into 3. Okay. So here we have to follow 5 steps. What we have to do first? First of all, we have to write here 100 tens and ones. In that we have to write the 3-digit number here. यहाँ पे हम कितने डिजिट नंबर लिखेंगे? How many digit numbers we have to write here? 3-digit number. 231. Okay, once we have to write in the ones place, 3 we have to write in the tens place, and 2 we have to write in the 100 place. After that we have to write the multiply, that 3 is there, so we have to write 3 in the ones place. After that we'll start the sums with the number 1. Because number 1 is the 1 place. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. So what we have to write here? 3 we have to write here. Now after 3 is here and 3 is here. So 3 3s are 9. So what we have to write here? 3 3s are 9. After that we have to write multiply the 1-digit number by the numbers in the 100 place. Now tens place and 1 place is completed, so we have to start the 100 place. So 3 2s are 6. So what we have to write here? 3 2s are 6. So our answer is 693. So we'll have to write the answers. 231 into 3 is equal to 693. This one is our answers. So got it everyone, how to do the sums? Now that steps we have to follow in the worksheet number 7. We'll start the worksheet number 7. Here is a sum step, so we have to do that, and we'll understood how to do the 3-digit number multiplication by the 1-digit number. So let's start worksheet number 7. Okay. Okay students, so we'll start worksheet number 7, page number 11. Okay, standard 3rd, maths. What is the heading is here? Multiply the following using the column method. Which method we have to write? Use it here. Column method. So here we have to give the title here. Column method. Okay. Now first one sum. First one sum is 230 into 3. We'll use the column method. So here we have to write 100, tens, ones, draw the columns here. Okay. Here we have to write 230 into 3. Now 3 3s are 9. So here we have to write 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. This one is our answer. 639. So here what we have to write here? 213 into 3 is equal to 639. This one is our answer. Write it here. Answers. Now next one. B1 sum. Question is 442 into 2. 442 into 2. So here we have to using which method we have to use? Column method. We'll draw 3 boxes here. Okay. Now we'll start 100, tens and ones. We'll write here 442 into 2. Now we have to write 4 or 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So here we have to write answer 442 into 2 is equal to 884. Now let's see everyone. Look at these sums and write it down in your worksheet number 7. Both the sums. I'll give you 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, we'll start the other sums. Okay? Okay, students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. C1 sum. 422 into 3. 422 into 3. So we'll write here 422 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Now 3 4s are 12. So what we have to write here? We'll enter one column again here. Okay. and here we have to write 12. What we have to write here? 12. Okay. 3 4s are 12. And here we have to write 100. 3 4s are 12. Now next one, 123 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So here we have to write answer 422 into 3 is equal to 1266, and here we have to write 123. Write the answers. 123 into 3 is equal to 369. Now look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now next one, sum 714 into 2. So here we have to write 714 into 2 into 2. Now 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 40. So here we have to write answer 714 into 2 is equal to 1428. Now next one, sum 311 into 311 into 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. So here we have to write 15, and here you have to write answer 311 into 5 is equal to 1555. Now look at this sum students. I'll give you 2 minutes. After 2 minutes we'll start the next sums. So look at this and complete it. Okay, complete the worksheet number 7. Okay students, so now we'll start next sum. Next sum is 222 into 4. So we'll write the 222 in the column method. After that multiply by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So our answers is 222 into 4 is equal to 888. Next sum is 623 into 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. So our answers is 623 into 2 is equal to 1246. This one is our answers. Now what you have to do students, now here worksheet number 7 is complete. So now look at this sums complete your worksheet number 7. Write it down fast. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, so complete your work and complete your worksheet number 7 also. Okay, now look at this. Look at this worksheet and complete your work. Okay students, so today we'll complete it. Worksheet number 6 and worksheet number 7. So in that worksheet number 6 and worksheet number 7, there is a 3-digit numbers are there and multiply by the 1-digit number. So we'll know how to do that sums, right? So what you have the homework today, your homework is worksheet number 8. Worksheet number is 8 वो कैसी है, like the worksheet number 5 and worksheet number जो आप लोगों ने 7 की है, like right? So उसके जैसे है वर्कशीट नंबर 8. वर्कशीट नंबर 8 है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्कशीट नंबर 5 एंड वर्कशीट नंबर 7 के अकॉर्डिंग आप लोगों को करना है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, कंप्लीट द वर्कशीट नंबर 8. दैट वन इज योर होमवर्क. एंड जैसे आपका होमवर्क कंप्लीट हो जाता है, इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप आई विल सेंड द आंसर्स, सो यू विल चेक इट आउट दैट. Okay, so your homework is complete the worksheet number 8. And what you have to do students, homework before 3 o'clock you have to send in the WhatsApp group anyhow. आप लोगों को होमवर्क है बिफोर 3 o'clock हमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सेंड करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपके रेगुलरिटी के मार्क्स भी काउंट हो गए, सो यू मस्ट बी सेंड द होमवर्क ऑन टाइम, राइट. और आज हम लोगों ने जो मल्टीप्लीकेशंस के सम्स किए वो बेस ऑफ द टेबल्स है. मेन थिंग इज अवर टेबल्स. सो टेबल्स आप सबको आने चाहिए. इफ योर टेबल्स इज नॉट प्रॉपर देन यू कांट डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन सम्स, यू नो. आप भी जानते हो ना वो बात. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, लर्न द टेबल्स. एवरी डे यू हैव टू लर्न इट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, होमवर्क ऑन टाइम पे सेंड कर देना. ओके, बाय एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे.